Hello, Professor Cawthorn. This is my video for week 11. So your objective was for us to scrape 6 sites. I had a fair amount of trouble, as you'll see in my wiki, creating the program itself to scrape even from a single site, because I didn't really understand HTML too much, and kind of skimming through it and trying to figure out how to handle tags and such. Took me quite some time. I tried a couple different methods. I tried putting some of the subtitles into a dictionary as the keys, and then I attempted to put the text as the other portion within the dictionary. But and then I was going to essentially print out just the years that I was intending to do, but I wasn't able to get that to work, so I had to read through some documentation. But essentially, I took this website, which this one page has data for important events between 1910 and 1919. And what I ended up doing was writing it to another HTML file called finished HTML. And essentially, with the opening, I cut back the parent strings to essentially help group the information based off of the name, which was a tag within the source code of this page, which was the year. And then I wrote it to a new HTML file with those decomposed, so essentially deleted from the HTML so that I could use it, which I could transfer into any other file type. I could make it a text, but I left it in the new HTML the way I set it. So now it looks essentially like this. It scrapes for just this data that you're seeing that I need, and as you scroll down, you'll find that it ends at the final entry for 1917. And then essentially it's just a bunch of breakpoints and extra data that's unnecessary that I could also cut out. But this was the program that I designed, and it worked fairly well. I kind of want to clean it up and get rid of all this unnecessary information and make it a little bit nicer, but that will be something I work on in the future. And that's my video. Thanks.